Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Costco account. Okay, so we are not going to talk how to cancel your membership. We are going to talk how to delete your Costco account. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account you need to tap on your account section, my account section at the very top side, and you need to tap like my details option. Okay, and once you select my details option it will pop up a new window. On this window you can check your name, each and everything is available on this page, and you can see over here there is a option like unregistered account. Okay, you need to select this unregistered account, and once you select this option it will pop up a new window. In this window you need to provide your password, you need to verify your password, and you need to cancel your account. You need to tap on confirm and they will unregister your account. Okay, so basically when you unregister your account your membership will still be active and able to use any Costco warehouse. So if you don't want any links, if you don't want any connection with Costco, you need to cancel your membership. Okay, first of all, then you can unregister your account. So make sure you need to unregister your account and when you cancel your membership. Okay, if you don't want any, you can like link with the Costco. Now by using this way you can delete your Costco account. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.